92.3 FM Radio Manila, your favorite music radio, Ka-Vibes! Magandang afternoon sa lahat ng mga Ka-Vibes natin nakatutok sa atin, of course, Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao.
Correct!
Hoy, baka nagugulat sila bakit binabati natin pati ang Visayas at Mindanao dahil tayo nga po ay napapanood at sabayang napapakinggan din, of course, sa ating YouTube channel sa 92.3 FM Radio Manila. Yan po ang ating official YouTube channel, kaya huwag kalimutan na mag-like at mag-subscribe. At syempre, napapakinggan nyo rin po kami sa inyong mga transistor radio sa pamamagitan ng 92.3 FM Radio Manila. Ganun din sa iba't ibang lugar na kalapit ng Metro and Mega Manila. Nandyan ang Baguio.
102.3 Baguio, pati na rin sa 97.5 FM Radio Jensen.
Wow!
Pati na rin sa mobile app,
Totoo.
diba? Wala nang kawala talaga, mga Ka-Vibes.
Totoo yan. Alam mo, eto na po. As promised, sabi natin on a Thursday afternoon, dahil nga Throwback Thursday, meron ding nagbabalik sa ating programa.
Oo naman.
Ito, mahal na mahal ko to. Suking-suki ko na talaga siya. And the last time that I had an interview with him, sobrang parang in-depth yung naging chikahan namin.
Yes.
Ang napag-usapan namin how he started his career in showbiz, papaano yung mga journey, and etc. ganyan-ganyan. Pero kung noong time na yon, we are promoting yung isa sa mga movies niya, which is yung Wild Boys, na nag-aala parang ano nga yun, yung Magic Mike.
Wow.
Oo, ang atake. Di ba last time, nandito sa programa natin, si Rash Flores, nakasama rin sa...
Also part of the Wild Boys.
Yes, correctional, baba, in
Criminal.
Yes, oo. Ngayon naman, he's back dito sa ating programa.
Yes.
At may bago na naman siyang pelikula. Parang
Grabe
last night,
naman to.
nakita ko may bago na naman siyang ipopromote.
Grabe
Oo.
ka na.
Alamin na natin. Let us all welcome live sa Banana Crew. We have Nico Loco. Hello.
Hello, everyone. Thank you for having me back. And salamat sa magandang introduction.
Of course. One of the busiest.
Yes.
Diba? Sabi nga sa atin, nung isa sa mga mahal nating mga mentor, my manager, Director Tony Toviera of AAA, ang All Access to Artists, sabi niya, nung napag-usapan namin before yung about success, diba, people are now parang saying na kapag successful ka dapat you're on the pedestal, you're on top.
Yes.
Pero the real meaning of success daw talaga is yung fact na meron kang ginagawang trabaho or gumigising ka araw-araw na meron kang ginagawa.
We look forward.
Every single day.
Correct.
So for you, ano naman ba ang ibig sabihin ng success? Because kami, looking your credentials with everything that you have,
Yes.
I consider you as one of the most busiest and successful in terms ng sa career na gusto mong tahakin.
Maraming salamat. Actually, it's funny you bring that up kasi I remember when I was 18 years old and I was in university sa LA. And I took drama and theater arts sa University of California. And gusto ko maging actor talaga. And after I graduated, syempre, as a young actor in LA, hindi naman may opportunities agad. So I was bartending, I was a waiter at a restaurant, at like a diner. And I was dreaming of the day na, just like you said, pwede ako gumising and have work to go to every day. So the point I'm trying to make is I wanted to be a steady working actor. Yan yung dream ko. It wasn't fame. It wasn't a certain amount of followers on Instagram or TikTok. It was just working every day. Yan yung gusto ko kasi acting is my passion. And for me to be able to do my passion and make a living doing it, yan yung dream ko.
Totoo.
Kaya parang ngayon, the fact na sinabi mo sobrang busy ako, I'm living the dream now.
Right, oo. At yung pagka-busy niya alam mo, aside from being an actor, Nico kasi started from the industry din as one of the hosts for pageants, etc. And now, diba, you have a daily parang show, like a digital show for a variety show online.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much. Yeah, aside from acting, hosting has been a big part of my life.
Right.
And maraming salamat na may show ako every morning. Mega Fanalo, it's called. I'm not sure if you've seen yung mga billboards sa EDSA, pero it's a virtual game show that's free to play for lahat ng Filipinos. So, sobrang exciting to kasi, yeah, I'm doing it almost 4 to 5 times per week. Pag my time.
Ako this is just a curious question, not for anything. Di ba parang recently, the government of the Philippines, parang they want to implement something about yung mga online gaming,
Yes.
yung mga ganyan.
Yes.
You as an artista and as part of, as one of the hosts of that gaming application, or
Yes.
mobile, how does it feel na parang may ganong eksena? Di ba na parang posible na baka ito ay pwedeng mawala sa'yo or something?
Tama.
This is just a curious question. I just need to ask you this. Sorry.
Yeah, I mean, it is a very curious topic. Kasi
Right.
ang
Oo.
daming online gaming ngayon, diba?
Right.
If you just take a drive down EDSA, ang daming billboards, no?
Halos lahat.
Halos lahat.
Yes.
Like, wala na ibang endorsers. It's puro yung mga endorsers are for mga online gaming. So parang being a part of that scene, syempre, nagdalawang isip ako na parang,
At first.
yeah, at first, kasi, syempre, when the jeepney driver is playing online gaming on his phone habang nagdadrive siya ng jeepney, tapos he loses all of his money for the day, nakakalungkot eh. Kasi
Right.
parang, someone like that really needs that money for food, for his family, for his standard of living. So parang for him to waste it sa online gaming, nakakalungkot kasi nakaka-addict talaga yung gaming eh. Dumaan ako diyan eh sa mga casino eh. And I remember the feeling of losing the money and parang ang sayang kasi I could have used that for more important things.
Right.
So parang now that I'm a part of that,
And it's your job to
yeah,
begin
it's my
with.
job.
Yes.
And the silver lining behind that siguro for me is kasi yung specific game na I'm the host of, it's called Mega Finalo, and behind the game that I'm hosting, it's free to play actually. So pwede ka, bawat login nyo, like every day, may 500 free coins. Tapos
Wow.
may mga other incentives, so you can actually play for free. Kaya it's actually the only online game that I know of dito sa Pinas that's free to play. You just need to register, fill out a few things, and verify your account. Tapos pwede ka mag-play araw-araw. I've tried it actually myself eh. I've made a few thousand pesos because I wanted to try it myself para alam ko yung sistema.
Yeah.
If totoo yung chismis
Correct.
na parang pwede ka mag-play for free. So I think I over the course of 3 days, I think I won 3,000 or 4,000 pesos. So may mga tao na doing it for like they've quit their jobs, they're doing it full time. Kasi free to play. So
talaga?
parang every hour may 20 free coins so they can play. So parang they're doing it like 18 hours per day kasi kung makapasok ka sa top 500 players for the day sa mga players of Mega Finalo, may mga cash giveaways. So like I think top 20 is 2,000 pesos.
Pero hindi ka naman natakot kasi diba there's a possibility na parang because the
Yes.
government are now eyeing for the
Yes.
online gaming. Siyempre diba that's your job. Baka mamaya baka mawala to, matigil to. May mga ganun din.
Hindi mawawala yan. Nakikita ko sa news eh na parang baka ma-shutdown lahat.
Right.
So I'm preparing my mind. If it happens, it happens. Ganun talaga. Maybe it's for the better. Diba?
Okay. So ayan, thank you so much. That's lang naman. Very curious
question
question
Yeah.
naman. Very tricky
It's a hot
siya.
topic eh. It's a
Yeah,
hot topic.
correct.
Totoo.
Yes.
Totoo.
Diba?
And of course, we've mentioned kanina, you're part of Wild Boys. O,
Yes.
kamusta? Kasi nga parang nakwento sa akin ni Rash when he guested dito sa programa na parang na-mention mo rin naman na you guys are different personalities, different kind of work, field, yung mga ganun yung eksena ninyo, ganyan. Pero syempre, diba, ito yung parang isa sa first time na gumawa ka ng parang kind of may comedy part. Diba? Tama? Kasi
Yes.
madalas yung ginagawa mo very daring, very sexy.
Yes.
Diba?
Yes.
So
It's
can you tell
very
us
dramatic.
more about Wild Boys?
Yeah, Wild Boys, well, I'm sure nagkwento si Rash, pero it's the story of a group of macho dancers. So parang it's a dying gay bar. Parang very similar to Magic Mike. It's a dying gay bar na parang wala silang business, wala silang customers, and they're about to shut down. Tapos there's a very important manager that comes into the scene and tries to help out the bar. So
Okay.
she ends up trying to find all of these talents. So mga artista, I'm a motocross rider sa movie na yan.
Social
Motocross, diba?
Yes.
Grabe.
Multi-champion motocross.
Totoo.
So may mga motocross scenes ako, pero may double ako. Kasi hindi ako
Gusto ko yung
nagmo-motocross.
share niya yung
Oh, no.
yung
Ayoko
secret
i-claim
niya.
na ako yung
Ikaw yun.
ako yung sa stunts eh. Hindi ako Tom Cruise.
Oo.
Yeah, so So yun. So that manager goes out and finds all of these different talents, and that includes me, Rash Flores, Vina Brenica, Aljura Brenica, at mga iba pa. There's about 8 of us in the group. Tapos yun, we form this entertainment group. I call it entertainment group kasi marami kaming dance performances, and then eventually nabuhay yung bar. And it becomes a flourishing bar once again. So parang it really is. But why I love this movie is because it has a bit of everything. Kasi Magic Mike mas focus siya sa dancing talaga at sa sex appeal ng isang macho dancer, which we have sa movie na to. Pero we also have action and we also have comedy. And
wow, full package.
Yeah, full package talaga. Full package. I thought you were talking about my package there for a second. Full package pala. Yeah, so but, anyways, yeah. So parang sabi mo comedy. So yung role ko, actually it was never a comedic role to begin with. Pero the problem is hindi ako dancer. Tapos na-cast ako sa dancing movie.
Kasi macho dancer.
Yeah, macho dancer.
So, paano?
No, diba? So, nag-training ako for 2 months. As in, like, seryoso, yung dance instructor, pumunta siya sa bahay ko.
Yung sayaw na mga ganun.
Oo, I tried it all.
Paano yung mga sayaw?
Pang-fem, mga ganon? Fem style.
Hindi yung mga giling-giling na.
Giling-giling. Naka-headset ako ngayon eh. Pero I can give a little, sample if you want mamaya.
Wow, grabe. Magbibigay yan for
hindi, kasi
content.
Diba, para lang sa para sa kaalaman nating lahat, diba? Alo, nung nakitang gumigiling-giling naman din talaga, pumasok naman.
Biglang umenter!
Oh my God, mga ka-vibes, si Miss Teen pumasok. Pagbaba yung guest
sa giling, no?
Totoo.
Pumasok siya eh.
Pagbaba yung guest namin, hindi yan pupunta dito, nasa office niya lang yan siya. Pero narinig niyang may giling-giling, nagkukumahog.
Grabe!
Is it?
Is it?
Hindi. Gusto ko lang i-share dun sa giling-giling. Baka kasi akala nila, di ba? Marami nag-aakala na okay na yan, basta marunong kang gumiling, macho dancer ka na. Hindi meron sila yung mga parang may counting talaga yan. Saka dapat sabay ka sa rhythm and yung sexiness mo, dapat ma-show mo talaga yan. Kasi kagaya sa mga singers, you're telling story to your listeners. Sa dancer din, may ganun din yun, di ba? May kwento din.
Tama.
Na kunyari, nakipaglandian ka sa keme, ganon. Oh.
Yes.
And then what happened dun sa training mo?
Yun, sa training. So parang na-realize ko na parang kahoy yung katawan ko.
Grabe naman yun.
As in kahoy talaga.
So, na-realize mo ba, Nico, na yung katawan mo ay parang sobrang tigas?
Tigas na tigas ako.
Ay!
Oo.
Yung katawan mo.
Yung katawan ko.
Oo.
Hindi iba. Baka ikaw
So, may
iba.
mga parang sinasabi mo, rolling, V-roll, mga ganun-ganun.
Yes.
Oh
I
my
mean,
God.
you can make daya sa movie, diba? That's the benefit of film, right? You can make daya. Pero ako, naisip ko,
You make effort.
Shoot,
syempre.
nag-sign ako ng contract for this movie, so I can't back out na. Kasi parang, although nahirapan ako sa dance, so I thought, how can I bring it into the character? And how I brought it into the character is parang, okay, let's make it a comedic role na he's really learning how to dance in the movie. So, magaling ako gumiling actually. That was the one thing I learned was giling with my body. Kasi meron akong isang signature dance move na baka I can show you guys later. And ginawa ko paulit-ulit sa movie. As in like lahat ng scenes ginawa ko siya paulit-ulit.
Correct.
So naging signature move. It's called the human snake.
Ay.
Pero
Human snake.
it was my decision to make it a comedic role dahil hindi ako magaling katulad ni Vina Brenica or si Aljur kasi dancers talaga sila.
Totoo.
So parang ako actor.
Totoo.
So how can I make it still entertaining and a part of the boys? And I was able to pull it off.
Oh,
Hopefully.
in fairness, 'di ba? Yung sinasabi po ni Nico na sample bilang nasa radyo tayo at nasa YouTube po kayo nakikinig at nanonood, ayan po ang dapat nyong abangan sa aming Facebook page at sa aming TikTok account at sa Instagram account natin.
Yes.
92.3 FM Radio Manila. Pero
Abangan nyo.
we have this new segment specially made for you. Wow.
Perfect.
Yes.
Perfect.
Pero ang oras muna natin ay 5:02 sa buong kapuluan ng Pilipinas. Kaya naman, eto na para sa ating Banana Crew exclusive.
Banana Crew exclusive.
This segment is very, very exclusive and was tailor-made for you. Wow.
Talaga,
Baka
wow.
No.
Customized. para
Yeah,
sa akin.
customized. Hindi, this is
Gusto ko yan.
tailor-made for everybody sa lahat ng mga
Okay.
celebrity guests na nagpupunta sa atin. Pero syempre, alam naman natin na Nico is very open and generous when it comes to answering questions, di ba? I've done many interviews with you. Pero this time, because this is Banana Crew exclusive, our listeners, our ka-vibes, wants to know kung ano talaga yung real na sagot
Okay.
Totoong sagot without naming names kung kailangan mong magbigay ng pangalan.
Grabe naman.
Sige.
Oo, kung kinakailangan mo magbigay ng pangalan, wag na tayo magbigay ng pangalan. Pero kung ganun kakatapang, why not? Diba?
No name drop, no name
Okay,
drop.
no name
Okay,
drop.
okay.
Para safe ako.
Totoo. For Banana Crew exclusive, alam natin na napaka-daring ng mga eksena na napapanood, nakikita natin because you've worked hard for it, diba?
Yes.
Your body, sa mga Viva Max movies mo. Diba? At saka dito sa Macho Dancer, meron kang human snake na tinatawag. Siyempre, diba? Usong-uso sa social media ang tinatawag na thirst trap.
Yes.
Diba?
Yes.
Usong-usong thirst trap sa social media. Sa pamamagitan ng pagpapakita mo ng iyong katawan sa mga pelikulang ginagawa mo bilang aktor, meron na bang, artista na nakipag-fling sa'yo? Kilalang artista na nakipag-fling sa'yo? Na via social media, message ka na, hi. Syempre, hindi mo naman tatanong kung who you dahil kilalang artista siya.
In general ba? Or nag-intimate scene kami? Or
Yung
just in general lang?
nilandi ka. Sorry.
Yun na yung term.
Yung nilandi ka na parang, hi,
Fling.
I'm alone.
Oo naman, marami.
Marami?
Marami.
Talaga?
Kasi,
Kilala?
Ayaw ko mag-name drop? Yeah, oo naman, yes.
As
yes.
in, like, pag kunyari feeling mo, sasabihin mo sa akin, bubulong mo, magugulat ako na, talaga? Ganon?
Ayaw ko mag-name drop.
Oh, pero kilala.
Yes,
Paano?
kilala.
Paano
Kwento.
nangyari yun?
Well, syempre through sliding through the DMs. Tapos, may mga, kasi I've worked with a lot of good-looking women.
Of course.
Of course.
Yes, good-looking artistas. So, syempre parang, I think it's bound to happen eventually na may messages sa DMs. Pero, yun, usually just hi lang, or it was nice working with you. Very, very, very low-key muna, nonchalant. Tapos,
Naku, parang ang safe ng sagot.
Wala bang parang date agad?
Oo, yung kunyari, you're alone din
Oo.
also sa bahay. Tapos, nag-message siya. Tara, puntahan ko to.
old school kasi ako eh.
Wow!
Old school kasi.
Safe answer.
Hindi naman safe, hindi naman safe. Kasi Italiano ako. So
Okay.
just to be honest, I have to have some sort of social connection with the person before any intimacy. So like whether that's just like a glass of wine or a dinner, I need that kasi parang if not I don't know why nadidira ako sa sarili ko. I don't know why. Ako lang yan. I just need a little bit of connection.
Kumbaga, dapat meron muna kayong pinagsamahan. Yung kilala mo rin yung tao na yun. Kasi,
Yeah.
I believe siguro because you don't want to be judged by someone na parang just because you feel like you're gwapo, tapos siguro
Yes.
akala mo,
Easy.
bibigay kami
Yes.
agad. Ganon. Oo.
Partly that. Parang
You're
I don't-
very gentleman nga pala. I'm sorry.
Oo.
I am. Most people don't think I am, but I am.
Ako, I know that you're very gentle.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Ha? You're very gentle!
Alam mo ba?
Hindi kasi-
Tried and tested.
Hindi kasi 'di ba kilala ko siya ever since. Mahihain yan
Yes.
nung simula. Oo, 'di ba?
Yeah, I'm not trying to act like a good boy. Like, parang I'm very far from a good boy. Pero at least I think my mom raised me because I love ko yung mom ko. So
Super.
I love her so much na parang I feel like I need to treat women like that, at least with respect. Na parang have the decency to take them out and buy them dinner and buy them a glass of wine.
So
or something.
gusto mo meron muna kayong connection before
Yes.
something.
Yes. Because I'm on the contrary to what people may see on TV or sa social media kasi I mean, very thirst trap. Sabi mo, thirst trap ako sa social media.
Hindi naman ikaw. I mean, sa panahon na uso ang pang
Yes, uso. And,
I didn't say that it's unique.
pero totoo naman. Totoo naman.
Maganda.
Ito yung Instagram ko,
Kaya.
Diba? Maraming
Hindi ako tumitingin sa Instagram mo, no?
maraming VPLs sa Instagram ko. Alam mo,
Hindi nga ako tumitingin sa Instagram mo.
Alam mo, VPL. Ay, hindi mo tumitingin sa Instagram ko. Alam mo, VPL.
Hindi.
DJ Jaiho.
Ano yun?
Alam niya.
Hindi ko alam. I'm super duper
Well.
sweet girl kaya.
visible. Can I say this?
No.
Okay.
Off-air na lang. Off-air.
Bawal.
At least I asked,
Yeah,
At least I asked
yes.
him. Chinek ko pala.
Tapos super deny ako. Hindi ako tumitingin na Instagram niya. No? Wow!
Wala.
Okay. So, merong mga nag-offer pero
Yes.
you never tried na parang to take advantage of people who's, sliding DMs on you.
Never. Not like agad-agad.
Kumbaga, you need to have to be friends with someone muna.
Oo.
Next question. Ang tanong, meron na bang kilalang tao na nag-offer sa'yo? Nag-offer sa'yo?
Ng pagmamahal?
Hindi.
Ano ba yan?
Sige, diretsahan. Nag-offer sa'yo ng something like, I can give you this, ganitong amount,
Just
ganyan.
be with, parang just be with me?
Hindi.
Ganon?
Let's have a
monetary
iba.
offer.
Yes,
ganon.
kaya mga material things na parang, Nico, be my ganito and I will give you this, ganyan.
Hirap umiwas sa mga ganyan.
Kilalang tao, ha?
Oo.
Talaga?
Oo. Yeah.
Ooh.
Mga celebrity, other
Field.
very important people. VIPs, very important people, diba?
Yeah, right.
Yun. Marami. Siyempre, I cannot name drop that kasi parang respeto sa
naman.
sa kanila. Pero yes, meron.
Magkano pinakamalaki?
May mga grabe.
Kasama talaga siya, magkano pinakamalaki or yung material things.
Naka-note,
Naka-note
no?
talaga siya, yes.
And I've had this question asked to me before sa mga write-ups kasi when I say this amount, people think na mayabang ako. Pero 500,000 upwards to $1 million. Yeah.
One night.
Yeah, one night. One night. I don't know if this is
One night of going out, walking in BGC.
Yeah. Pero sa mga, kasi syempre, the Filipino audience is not just here in the Philippines, pero maraming OFWs din, right? So,
may mga ganun din? Kahit
yes.
Oo, talaga?
Kasi may mga super mayaman na Filipino sa ibang bansa.
Na nag-message sa'yo?
Yeah. And umabot sa actually,
God.
kasi ako, I don't entertain that, pero syempre, it happens, right? May isang tao one time na sa UK na parang nag-book siya ng tickets already.
All the way to the Philippines?
Yeah, for me to go sa London.
For you?
Hindi ako
ikaw.
hindi ako yes, but nag-book siya ng tickets hoping na talagang pupunta ako. But syempre, I didn't go. So sabi ko, sayang yung ticket. Why did you book the ticket? Yeah, so may mga ganun na instances Pero yan, again, I work hard for my money So para sa akin kasi I'm Christian, so money is the root of all evil. Sabi nila. So,
baka lang may magtanong, napaka-diretso ko magtanong kay Nico, ha. Bago naman ako nagtanong kay Nico ng mga ganitong question, I believe that we have many pinagsamahan na.
Yes.
Na alam mo yon na parang I can ask this question to him, diba? With
baka mamaya
may sabihin, grabe naman magtanong to si Jaiho kay Nico, parang gustong-gusto naman ni bakla talaga.
magagalit ako mamaya. No joke.
Hindi ka magagalit, Nico. Hindi kasi alam mo ba, natutuwa ko sa kanya kasi syempre every interviews, like ako, si Nico, hindi siya first time nating may interview. Gusto ko, there is something na bago na naririnig yung mga listeners and yung mga audience natin coming from our program.
Maganda yan.
Syempre, and baka sabihin
may variety ba?
Kabastusan lang yung tinatanong natin. No. Because gagaya ng sinabi niya, he really worked hard for his money sa kanyang pagtatrabaho. And he's very gentle to reply to people na magsabi ng, I'm sorry, pero ganito, ganyan.
Yes.
Nasa kanila na yun.
Pinakamahirap pa naman.
Pero ang gusto ko lang din naman na iparinig sa lahat, kasi akala nila, people who showing skin on a screen, akala nila, they're for sale also. Diba? Pero in reality, like sa mga lalaki, sabihin nyo, pag lalaki, wala namang mawawala. Pero the dignity, diba?
Yes.
Yung dignity mo and yung credibility mo to people na parang pag-uusapan ka nila after, na parang, ayan, nakuha ko yan ng ganito, ng ganyan, diba?
Tama. Hirap umiwas sa mga ganyan People just assume, right? Like you said, kasi I'm showing skin on TV, so parang...
And then the characters that you're portraying.
Yeah, so they think that parang that's real life. Like I have so many people that say these things about me that I've never met before in my whole life. And I'm parang, talaga? Kasi parang, hindi ako ganyan, pero you think that's how I am just because that's how I am on Viva. So there is that unfortunate assumption of people. And I mean, some people that do show skin do those things. And wala akong judgment sa kanila.
We don't care to what's
yeah.
their grinding,
Tama,
diba?
tama. That's their own sariling sikap, right? So, wala akong judgment sa kanila. Pero it bothers me with the assumptions. Kasi I wake up every day and I sleep 4 hours per night. And that's my choice. Kasi I enjoy working for my money.
Right.
And I enjoy what I do. So, ayokong gawin yung mga ibang bagay na parang shortcuts to make money. Kasi at the end of the day, I do this also to make a living, but I do this because I'm passionate about it. So parang that's why I sleep 4 hours a night, because I'm passionate about it.
O, di ba ang ganda? Kasi baka akala nyo mamaya pagka yung splice video nila yung nakita nila, baka akala nila we're just doing things or asking questions for nothing.
Yes.
But we wanna ask our special guest kung ano yung talagang like, alam ko kasi that there is many assumptions about you. Di ba before pa when you have when you had your manager si Shandy, di ba parang sa mga writers parang sabi boyfriend kayo, ganon, di ba? Oh, may mga ganon. Yes. Totoo yun. Kaya syempre, di ba, it's nice also that they can speak up for kung ano man yung mga naging assumptions before. And slowly, di ba, everything is now going into like clearer things.
Sana.
People know you na already kung ano yung ano mo, di ba? Eto susunod, iba naman. Hindi naman about sa sexy, di ba? Syempre, ayan. Hindi ba natin natatanong, paano ba magmahal ang isang Nico Loco? Kasi kung ako halimbawa, babae, tapos kunyari ako may in love ako halimbawa, kasi Loco yung apelido, baka may lokohin lang ako nito. So, paano si Nico if you're in a relationship?
That's such a great question.
Kasi I believe no one asked you this.
Totoo. I haven't been asked that question before like that. So, magandang tanong to. My hair wave pa.
My hair flip.
Haba ng bangs mo. Hindi, that's a great question. Number one is parang gusto ko talaga yung intellectual connection, yung social connection. So, I really want somebody that is a deep thinker. Kasi ako, I'm a very deep thinker. So, to have a conversation, again, like I said, I'm a very simple guy. A bottle of wine and having a glass of wine with a woman and talking about deep topics, talking about life, talking about dreams in life, what you want to accomplish in life. Parang those are the things I love. Kasi that's connecting on a spiritual level. So someone that can really, go to those depths and talk with me about those topics and actually listen. Kasi I really try to listen. Kasi a lot of people don't listen nowadays. Parang they're either on their phones kasi ang daming distractions. Like, ikaw, you're on your phone
No, but I'm listening.
Sure you are.
I am listening. You mentioned, diba, you're a very, very simple guy who wants like a wine.
Wine lang yung narinig mo
Wine and deep conversation with intellectual capacity to someone.
Ay nako. I don't think mag-work tayo. Hindi tayo mag-work.
Hindi ko narinig ko, diba? Alam ko nga
Red flag agad. Red flag agad. Pero joke lang yan. Pero sa totoo lang kasi ang daming distractions nowadays with social media. So like if a girl, I'm on a date with a girl and she pulls out her phone habang nagsasalita ako or habang nag-uusap kami, X na agad.
Grabe ka naman yung tinitingnan. Yung tinitingnan
X na.
Yung tinitingnan ko nga, gusto ko kitang i-update na parang as per Pag-asa, the weather temperature is now moving so fast here. That's why you need to have your umbrella. Parang intellectual ako.
So intellectual pala.
Nagre-research pala.
Nagre-research pala sa weather.
Diba? Ako naman, I don't like guys na napaka-judger.
Ay! Gumante. Pero anyways, to make a long story short, the spiritual connection and then also the physical connection. I'm Italian and I'm a very sexual person.
Yes.
And I say that with in all seriousness, I need that sexual connection and that sexual hunger with a woman because it's like when you're dancing, like when you're doing salsa or tango. The rhythm, your bodies are moving together. Sabay yung yung mga katawan nyo.
Bakit sabay-sabay ka pa, Miss T?
Nagda-dance naman.
Nagda-dance ka na, Miss T? Hindi naman sinabi ikaw yung... Sinabi bang ikaw?
Gumagalaw siya kagad,
You know, be explained, pero just
hindi, pero I get it.
Gets mo ba?
Super gets ko yun.
Yeah.
It's either there or it's not. Like,
I get it.
Hindi,
Parang,
kahit nga hindi ka Italian, diba? Ako personally, ito naman yun na pag-uusapan na naman for conversational purposes. Parang feeling ko, diba? Parang I can't be with someone na matagal, kunyari sa isang relationship, if hindi kami magkakaroon ng connection, una, syempre yun sa, gusto ko yung pag may kausap ako, gusto ko,
Yes.
Kayo lang.
host, hindi, host ako eh. So, syempre, pagka-feeling kong, sorry sa term, pag feeling kong hindi kami same ng wavelength, parang parang may ganun na, ex na kagad sa akin yun.
Yes.
Gusto ko yung parang na-amaze ako na may natututunan ako, ganyan.
Yes.
Dun sa sexual connection naman, di ba, syempre dapat compatible kayo sexually din. Kasi syempre, di ba, kapag hindi kayo compatible, parang teka lang, ba't kailangan kong mag-adjust or i-arte yung mga bagay-bagay na
Tama.
hindi naman. Meron namang someone talaga na hindi mo sabihin, pero once na nandun na kayo, you're in the zone.
Yes.
Di parang, oh my God, this is, one for the book.
One for the box.
Pero for me, hearing
Ikaw.
those...
As a young-
As a woman.
As a
Yes,
young
as a
girl.
woman and as a young girl. Pero hearing those words, parang unti-unti kitang nakikilala. Kasi nga, parang ang love languages mo is physical touch and then quality
Akin na yung book mo,
time.
te.
Yes,
Huwag
yes,
kang
Hindi,
tama,
what
tama.
I mean is, naiintindihan ko kung ano yung mga needs na kailangan niya. Ibig sabihin, alam na natin, as a girl, kung ano yung love language na ibibigay mo sa taong ito.
Pero agree
So,
ka dyan sa
Yes,
Dapat
I
compatible
agree.
kayo.
sa sexual side.
Yes, I agree. Parang part din siya
paano
sa
ba?
relationship. Hindi ba?
Paano ba?
Ay! Bakit ganun? Very conservative ako.
Kinikilig.
Weh!
Hoy, si Bakla kinikilig. Hoy!
Hoy, hindi. Alam mo,
Akin siya. Charing.
hindi ko naman
Arte,
inaagaw
arte naman.
si Nico sa'yo. Hindi ko naman siya inaagaw.
Charot lang, wala namang agawang nagaganap. Huy, live tayo.
Oo nga, live tayo. Pero share ko lang din ha.
Tama.
Iniidolo ko to si Nico kasi na-meet ko nga siya. Hindi niya ako kilala nun. Pero isa
Bata
lang
ka
ako
pa.
sa audience. Sa call center, di ba? Na-mention ko.
Yes,
Ewan ko lang kung nailala
yes.
niya. Basta naging
Hindi,
host
hindi,
siya
hindi.
doon. Tapos sinabi ko, magiging ganyan din ako sooner or later. Pero call center pa lang ako nun. At nag-estudyante pa lang ako
Humble
noon.
beginnings to, humble beginnings.
Yes.
And now look at you.
O, di kayo na.
Diba?
You're hosting, you're beautiful, you're glowing.
Oh, thank you so much.
Ang sexy mo.
Thank you so much.
Oo, iba ka talaga, ibang klase. Ibang klase.
May nagsaselos na pala sa likod ko. Baka mamaya, umalis ka na dyan, Kim Chorba. Umalis ka na.
Hindi,
Charis,
deserve
joke
mo
lang.
yan, bestie.
Deserve talaga.
Kasi
Deserve.
diba, you're beautiful naman talaga.
Thank you so much.
Yes. Pero gusto na yung malaman, may bago ka na naman pelikula.
Ayan.
Yes.
Oo,
Ito
yung
na
bago mo
naman.
na naman pelikula. Ang
May
title,
bago.
Kandungan. Ano naman to?
Kandungan.
Kandungan na to.
Yes, so kandungan.
Kandungan.
Gusto mo ba?
Bakit may may ganon?
May demo.
May demo
Hindi,
ba?
dancer din kasi ako.
Ganon.
So,
So what?
ganon.
Okay.
Ganon.
May ganon na dance
ganon.
move?
Yes.
Anong dance move?
Hindi mo
yan?
kayang kumandong.
Hindi talaga.
Sample lang, te.
kaya.
Hindi talaga.
Ate,
kaya.
sample lang.
Hindi talaga.
Talaga ba? Talaga ba?
Hindi talaga.
Ay, hindi.
Okay.
Hindi ka kasali, Miss T.
Hindi ako
Parang may
niniwala.
Oo, bawal.
Hindi ako niniwala.
Hindi, tingnan mo nga. Oo. Oh, what is kandungan for you?
Yeah, so kandungan sitting, well, it means sitting on someone's lap. Yeah. So bakit ganon eh? Yung
Parang
ganun.
ganun
Ikaw,
ka.
Yan.
Ano ka ba?
Seryoso nga,
Parang
no?
friend lang no?
Yun. So that's what the word means, and the word kind of actually describes the movie in a way. Kasi meron akong fiance sa movie, and we're actually, kasi funny, we're talking about sexual connection love ko siya sa movie, pero yung kulang sa relationship namin is the sexual chemistry.
Ay, parang sa tunay na buhay.
Oh, kasi ako parang very adventurous na tao sa movie, pero siya very vanilla. So,
Ito yung ano, 'di ba? Yung tama ba ako? Ito yung parang may partner ka, tapos yung partner mo hindi nagi-give yung sexual
tama.
something for you, yung hindi ka nakaka 100%.
Yes.
Pero there is this other girl who's writing her fantasies.
Yes.
And then nabasa mo yung book na yon.
yes. Yan yung ano.
Intellectual.
Galing galing.
Talaga kinukuha niya yung
natandaan mo pala
yung mga
eh.
qualities na gusto mo sa isang...
Di ba yun yun? And then
Intellectual.
you tried everything to that girl.
Yeah, so nahanap ko yung
Oh.
journal niya kasi meron akong publishing company sa movie. Tapos nahanap ko
Okay.
yung journal niya sa one day after office hours, umalis siya tapos yung book niya parang
nabasa
nahulog.
niya.
And nabasa ko yung mga fantasies niya about me. Very 50 Shades of Grey. That's it's like the Filipino version of 50 Shades of Grey. That's what it feels like. Tapos yan, na-obsess ako sa
Sa book niya.
Sa book niya. Hindi sa kanya, sa book talaga.
Sa fantasy, dun
Para
sa
siyang-
mga book.
Para siyang medium for
Right.
me to experience yung mga fantasies that yung fiance ko wasn't able to give me. Yun. Tapos, sa ending, nakakalungkot yung ending. Pero
Abangan.
deserve ko ang lahat.
Deserve mo ang lahat kasi
Deserve ko
nga,
ang lahat.
#karma.
Tama.
Abangan, diba?
Abangan.
Invite
Abangan.
everybody, ang mga ka-vibes natin sa lahat ng mga projects mo. Go, take it away.
Hello mga ka-vibes, Nico Loco here. First off, I'd like to promote my cinematic film called Wild Boys, directed by Carlos Morales, which is releasing August 13th sa Sinihan. So abangan nyo po. That's starring me, Fina Brenica, Eljur Brenica, Rash Flores, at mga iba pa. It's a very exciting film about a group of macho dancers. So sobrang nakaka-excite. It's very comedic, may action, may drama, lahat. Basta sobrang entertaining to. You don't want to miss it. Secondly, I'd like to promote my upcoming VMX film, releasing exclusively on the VMX platform, which is called Kandungan, directed by Joel Ferrer, starring me, Rica Gonzalez, at Ara Alonzo, at mga iba pa. So abangan nyo po. Para siyang 50 Shades of Grey. Basta be ready and dapat dapat yung
May tissue kayo. Charas!
Baka maiyak.
Baka maiyak.
Baka
I was gonna say dapat
maiyak.
may baby oil, pero parang hindi tama yan.
5:23 ang oras natin, mga ka-vibes. Nako, kahit na malamig ang panahon sa labas, nako, yung iba dyan, syempre sa pakikinig nyo pa lang po, baka
Yes.
naman nag-init po kayo. Wag po kayo mag-alala. Hindi po namin intensyon na pag-initin kayo. Bagkus, ang tanging intensyon lamang po namin na ibigyan kayo ng ngiti sa inyong mga labi. Para lahat tayo always GB lamang.
Yes.
Nakasama po natin Nico Loco dito sa Home of the Stars. Ang inyong favorite na merienda, ang Banana Crew. Susunod na nga ng kada balita kasama sina Jack Batallones at Nina Corpus.
Mapapanood dito sa PRTV Prime Media, Digital TV Channel 31 at sabayang mapapakinggan sa DZMM Radyo Patrol sa Istrenta, gayon din sa 92.3 FM Radio Manila at buong FM radio station sa buong bansa. Ito ang
Arangkada Balita. Nako, Nico, ikaw na magsabi nito pagkatapos kong sabihin na kayo po ay nakikinig dito sa Umaarangkada, Rumarachada patungo sa numero 1. Kami po ang
92.3 FM Radio Manila, Ka-Vibes.
92.3 FM